Nuclear energy getting converted into sound energy.
Hey Samika, ever wondered what is nuclear energy?
Not exactly, but then I'll tell you.
It is the energy released during splitting of atoms, which is called fission, or when the atoms join, which is called fusion. And an atom is a smallest particle of a chemical element that can exist.
Suhani, now that you have told me what is nuclear energy, are you interested to know what is sound energy?
Sure.
Sound energy is a wave of vibration that spreads from its source, and vibration is the back and forth motion of an object. Hey Suhani, now that we know what is nuclear energy and what is sound energy, so let's see what is energy transformation.
Okay.
An energy transformation is the change of energy from one form to another. Energy transformation occurs everywhere, every second of the day.
So the first example of nuclear energy getting transformed into sound energy is rocket.
Rocket. Second example is the bomb. Bomb is one more example of nuclear energy and getting transferred into sound energy. These are some advantages of nuclear energy.
These are some of the disadvantages of nuclear energy.
Let's have some fun facts now.
Thank you.